believe. In terms of trades, again, JP Morgan, usually I do like selling out of the money options. If you were at my closing bell, you've seen that, if you do multiple earnings announcement, then kind of the law of large numbers. But JP Morgan, obviously, I did not anticipate such strong results. I don't think anybody did, honestly. At this point, it's at maximum loss. So the only hope is that spiders will bounce back, right? That spiders are able to bounce back. Sorry, that spiders continues to go down, right? Because this is a bearish trade. So if spiders continue to decelerate, right, and pull back, then maybe JP Morgan can pull back. So on the upside, on the downside, I'm already capped. But if it does pull back below 138, then that would be a win. Visa, I closed Visa, right? It had a strong rally, continues to rally. So this is an example of active trader, that the stocks that active trader picks can continue going higher. I've done several stocks, and then Delta Airline was I closed it yesterday. Outside of that, in terms of positions, pretty bearish, right? At this point, most of my positions are bearish, except QQQ put spread in April. So short term, I still think we could continue testing year-to-date height, right? Spiders around 418. We could continue gravitate toward that level like we did today. But beyond that, I don't think there's a lot more momentum to the upside. So JP Morgan, I'm going to close today. Be careful with the 133 call, because if we do close at 135 and you don't close the short call, potentially on Monday we could have a rally. Schwab is announcing earnings, and then the loss would be more than $450. So by end of the day, I'm going to close JP Morgan. If it does pull back to 136, 137, great. If it doesn't, then I would just close at the half an hour, 15 minutes before market close. So that's my goal with JP Morgan. Northrop Grumman, still bullish on the stock going into the earnings. QQQ is my bullish position. April, QQQ is staying above that level, 310 level. So we'll see if it's able to hold on to the 310, 315 level going into the next week, right? So that's the last bullish trade I have. Let's see, June, I'm bearish. I still think we'll break the 300 level by end of June. I'm have higher conviction going into September. Silver, if you're not comfortable trading QQQ puts, again, one of the 4 positions I propose to. At this point, you want to be, I think, either market neutral, right? Because you see momentum is deteriorating behind the bulls. We had a strong rally. So if you're in soft landing, I would be market neutral. If you're in a bear camp, I would start adding to your bearish positions. All right. So one way to do it is to add SH. Right, and you could be slightly bearish, right? If QQQ is down 0.5%, you could be up 1%, right? Something along those lines. Silver, again, continues to trade higher. I would be a buyer into pullback. TLT pullback today. I would be a buyer into TLT. Probably will buy it by the end of today. Still bearish on banks, right? So far, kind of mixed results. XLF is up 1%. We'll see we still have few banks announcing earnings, but I think there's limited room to the upside, and I think there's more room to the downside, especially going into September.